How to get balanced audio volume on all your clips with loudness adjustment in CapCut Mobile. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, launch your CapCut. Tap on Edit. Tap on New Project. Simply select a project. Tap on Add. And then tap on the video. Then go to Volume. And here you can adjust your volume. And then next, what you can do is tap on Enhance Voice and simply select it. But you will need CapCut Pro for this. And now you will have constant volume in your video throughout the end, till the end. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.